From the officer who slammed into a suspect who was shooting them, to the suspect who got shot after pulling a gun on officers, and the pit maneuver that sent a suspect's car flying. These are the moments where suspects die trying to evade the police. So let's not waste any more time. Let's dive right in. On December 19, 2023, officers in Arkansas pursued an individual wanted on multiple felony warrants across several states. The suspect, Mario Donnell Page, was being sought by a drug task force originating out of Memphis, Tennessee, making this chase a high-priority operation. Law enforcement was determined to capture Mario.
Coming up to the railroad tracks, going down the city south. City. I'm trying to catch up. He's a little ways ahead of us.
As the pursuit escalated, Mario reached extreme speeds. The trooper was pushing 130 miles per hour, but struggled to close the gap. The suspect entered the highway, making a sudden turn that nearly caused the trooper to miss it, especially with another vehicle blocking part of the road.
I had to stop for a truck. I didn't think it was going to stop. He's got further ahead of me. He's about to get on eastbound on the interstate on 281.
The trooper was preparing to perform a TVI maneuver when Mario, driving at 140 miles per hour, abruptly hit the brakes, leading to a violent collision. His vehicle came to rest at the bottom of an embankment, while the trooper managed to regain control despite a minor collision with a truck ahead. Mario was pronounced dead at the scene shortly after. It is likely he was not wearing a seatbelt, as his body was found several feet from the wreck. On August 7, 2020, first responders hailed Aaron Michael Griffin as a hero after he rescued a woman from a burning car that had crashed and erupted into flames. However, less than a day after his life-saving act, things took a shocking turn following a traffic stop for obstructed license plates.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm good. Why do you got paper covering up your license plate?
That's what I just realized when we were leaving and I saw you. I was thinking about it because I was playing a joke on my sister. Right?
Okay.
So I covered it up and then I just didn't take it off.
Okay. You covered it so she didn't...
No, it's so she wouldn't know that it was my car.
Oh, okay. You got a brake light out too, your driver's side one.
I get a warning right here, but
does it tell you?
Yeah, it says that it's defective.
Say that again?
It says that it's defective.
Oh yeah, you probably just got to change the bulb. Can I see your license real quick?
Yeah.
Proof of insurance. Is this vehicle registered to you or?
Yes.
Okay. So let go of it. Yeah?
It does work now?
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh, your bright's got to be on?
That's weird, yeah. Because I keep it right there for that reason, so.
Oh, yeah, because you can't drive with your brights on either, so. You can, but when cars are approaching you.
Well,
anyway.
That solves that, I guess.
Okay. All right, hang tight for me. Just stay in the car. Okay, here's your license back and your registration. Do you want to hop out and take that off now?
Hop out and take that off.
The paper? Off your plate?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Either one of you. You mind if I get your info, sir?
Mine?
Yeah.
Brian James.
You're Brian James? Okay.
I thought you were talking about my life.
No. Never mind. How are you guys? Are you guys related or anything?
No, he's just a friend of mine.
Okay.
What the hell?
How do you spell your first name?
B-R-Y-A-N.
James?
James. J-A-M-E-S.
J-A-M-E-S. All right. Cool. You're squared away.
Griffin claimed he had covered his license plate to hide it from his sister, but something about his explanation didn't quite add up. Adding to the suspicion, the name provided by his passenger yielded no results, prompting the officer to conduct a second stop.
You roll this window down? Do you have ID with you, Brian?
I do not.
Okay. Because I can't find anything with your name on it.
What?
Can't find anything. Do you have a Utah license?
I do not have a license, no.
Have you ever gotten an ID card?
Not in Utah, no.
Not in Utah. Where are you from?
Wyoming.
Wyoming?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever been in trouble with law enforcement here before?
Not in Utah, no.
Not ever?
Not in Utah, no.
Are you lying to me about your identity?
No, I'm not, sir.
Okay. What's your social?
Griffin provided what he claimed was his social security number. As the officer returned to his squad car to verify the information, everything suddenly took a drastic turn. A brief pursuit followed, but due to safety concerns, the officer chose to terminate the chase. However, shortly after, the suspect's vehicle was found abandoned in a large open field. Griffin opened fire, initiating a shootout.
Get on the fucking ground! I'm not moving! Get on the ground! Fucking! Weaver, 2 more shots fired. Who's? Kill one. Started medical, my dog's been shot.
The darkness of the field gave Griffin an advantage, allowing him to evade immediate capture while continuing to fire at officers.
You ran that way.
Your dog?
Yeah.
Where's he's running this way?
He's over there. Come here.
As law enforcement attempted to locate him, additional backup arrived at the area where he had been shooting from. Aaron Griffin was ultimately killed after being struck by a patrol vehicle and shot by 3 officers at the scene. His passenger, who was later found to have an active parole violation warrant, was taken into custody. No officers were injured during the incident. On July 29, 2022, officers from the Pasadena Police Department responded to a reported carjacking. The victim stated that his white 2002 Honda Odyssey minivan had been stolen by a male suspect armed with a handgun. Approximately 2 hours later, around 1 a.m., a red light traffic camera captured an image of the stolen Honda. Pasadena police located the vehicle and attempted a traffic stop, but the driver refused to pull over, leading to a brief pursuit.
Get back to his lane.
The suspect continued evading officers by accelerating to high speeds, driving recklessly, and even traveling the wrong way on one-way streets, reaching speeds of over 80 miles per hour. The chase came to a sudden halt in a shopping plaza parking lot where the suspect brandished a silver handgun. He then pointed the weapon at himself, intensifying the standoff.
Hey, he's got a gun to his head. He's got a gun to his head. He's got it.
Let's get the barricade up here.
Get on the PA. Let's go. Let's go.
Trying to go southbound. Still in the parking lot. Please.
Hold! Everybody hold! Everybody hold! Hey, crossfire!
Officers used the public address system from their patrol vehicles to communicate with the suspect, urging him to surrender peacefully. They negotiated for approximately 8 minutes, repeatedly asking him to put down the firearm, but there was no response from him.
Out of your surrounded, buddy. You need to drop your firearm, turn off your car, put both hands out the driver's window, and we'll go from there.
While the Honda remained stopped in the parking lot, officers strategically positioned police vehicles to block the last remaining exit, preventing the suspect from escaping.
No, I'm going to kill myself.
Do not do that. Can you put your car in park?
No, I want to die.
Why?
Hold your fire, hold your fire. Hold your fire.
Despite their efforts, the suspect began moving toward the exit where officers and patrol cars were stationed. In response, officers opened fire multiple times, fatally striking the suspect, who was pronounced dead at the scene.
Copy. There's no responsible.
On April 28, 2022, a Minnesota drug task force conducted a traffic stop on 59-year-old Charles Francis Bang, who was under investigation for narcotics-related activities. Along with 2 passengers in his vehicle, managed to flee the scene. However, 3 hours later, law enforcement tracked him down on a remote road in a field in Morrison County, where he found himself surrounded from both sides.
They're gonna take off here.
As officers moved in from all directions, Bang retrieved a firearm from his waist and pointed it toward the passenger side window. This prompted troopers to open fire, striking him multiple times. He was later pronounced dead at the scene. His 2 passengers were taken into custody without further incident. This fatal pursuit was initiated by Georgia State troopers on September 14, 2022, after an officer observed the driver of a Ford Taurus holding a phone directly in front of his face while driving. Distracted driving not only endangers the driver, but also poses a serious risk to others on the road. When the trooper attempted to conduct a traffic stop to address the violation, the driver, later identified as Javon Raheem Richards, made the reckless decision to flee, driving directly into oncoming traffic. As Javon approached an intersection while traveling in the wrong lane, he failed to obey a red light and crashed into an Infiniti SUV that was making a turn. The impact sent his vehicle into a median guardrail before it struck a third car.
Y'all okay? Yeah. Okay, I'm about to get y'all checked out, man. I get caught up. No, you good, you good. You the passenger, just both of y'all, right? Just y'all two? You got your ID on you, man? Okay. I appreciate you, buddy, man. I'm gonna get the ambulance, come check y'all out, make sure y'all okay, okay? Yeah. Huh? So you got Fred, got him locked up, or what's 1 second? They over there now, we're gonna get him to come.
Despite efforts to save his life, Javon was transported to a local hospital, where he was pronounced dead. A search of his vehicle uncovered a loaded Glock 45 handgun, $1,500 in cash, unlabeled pills, and marijuana. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. YouTube thinks you'll love this next video too, so be sure to check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Your support means a lot.